My name is Tam Anderson. My farm is Prairie Gardens out at Bonaccord, and we grow corn and we grow pumpkins and beans and potatoes and cabbage and cauliflower and onions and leeks and all kinds of different herbs.
We have these beautiful vegetables from Prairie Gardens here. We've been working with Prairie Gardens for over 7 years. Prairie Gardens is really known for squash. We have some pickled squash and we have some compressed squash. I think one of the really neat things that restaurants are doing right now is they are serving vegetable-focused dishes. It's really starting to appeal to a wide range of people. So now some of our vegetable dishes are some of our most popular again. When you start working with a local vegetable farmer, you realize how each week and how the weather can impact it. And when you let them kind of help guide you to your menu, the flavor benefit is unbelievable because you're getting things at the peak of their season. So yeah, I love working with them because it allows you to see what the capabilities are of our province.